Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zapier for social media with AI to automate your content posting and save time. First, log into your Zapier account. Click on Create Zap to start building your automation. 4. The Trigger app, you can choose something like Google Docs or Notion, basically, where you write your posts. Whenever you add a new document or note, that will trigger the automation. Next. For the Action app, search for ChatGPT by OpenAI. With this, Zapier can take your draft post and rewrite it, summarize it, or even generate captions and hashtags automatically. After the AI step, add another action app, such as Twitter, Facebook pages, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Connect your social account and choose the option to publish a post. Now, your workflow is ready. Every time you create content in your source app, Zapier will run it through AI to polish it, and then post it straight to your social channels. Finally, test your Zap, and if everything looks good, click Publish. From here on, your AI will help you create and post content automatically, and that's it. You've just set up social media automation with AI using Zapier.